MBA subjects include the application of theories to real-life business issues. Through case studies, industry site visits, and industry professionals sharing their insights, students have plenty of opportunities to realize the practical aspects of the theories. Furthermore, students are encouraged to explore the many business networks available in Singapore to enhance their learning experience. The practical sessions are part of the curriculum of various subjects. For example, in the business consulting subject, the students will complete a consultation cycle for real business partners, from understanding their business demands to offering various business solutions. Our MBA program highlights data-driven decision-making and innovation business solutions in our curriculum design. For example, in the creative marketing major, we have 2 subjects dedicated to digital marketing and e-commerce, and 1 subject about marketing analytics. In global talent management, we have HR analytics. This subject equips our students with the up-to-date data analytical skills to support the HR decisions. The Analytics and Business Solutions major focuses on equipping our students with skills and techniques in data mining and data analytics for business decisions. The shorter duration will allow our students to complete their learning earlier compared to their peers and have first-mover advantage to gain more working experience in the job market. Students will also be trained for their time management skills. Our lectures adopt a practical-oriented teaching pedagogy by embedding theoretical frameworks in case studies, scenario analysis, role-play, and discussion of current topics. In addition, to ensure the knowledge and skills instilled in our students are relevant to the latest industry demand, we have our Industry Advisory Board with regular board members from various industries. These board members, on one hand, work with us to improve our curriculum design to keep up with the industry need. On the other hand, we regularly invite the board members to share their insights with our students as guest lecturers and give industry projects to our students to work on.